Learn how to use History and Notes, and the Assurance Dashboard reports to track changes to financial data in Xero. Click Accounting. Then select History and Notes. The History and Notes report summarizes changes to your financial data, including invoices, bills, contacts, and financial settings. To run the report, use the drop-down to choose a preset date range or enter a start and end date. We'll run the report from the 1st of May to the 31st of August. Next, select which users with access to Xero you want to run the report for. Xero selects all users by default. However, if you want to look at a specific user, click Deselect All, then select the user. You might want to do this if you've recently hired a new member of staff and want to check their activity in Xero. You may see a user called System Generated. This indicates Xero, or an integrated third-party app such as Stripe, has created the transaction rather than a person. Click the Type filter to select the transaction, activity, or action you want to see in the report. Xero selects all types by default, but we just want to focus on supplier refunds. We'll click Deselect All. Then select Bill Credit Note from the list. Click Apply to run the report. Click the link in the Type field to see details of the user activity. You can export the History and Notes report as a PDF or Excel file if you want to save it outside of Xero. Now, let's take a look at the Assurance Dashboard to review user activity in your Xero organization. Click Accounting, then select Assurance Dashboard. The tabs in the Assurance Dashboard show data about different areas of Xero. The User Activity tab shows users who have access to your Xero organization. View when users have accessed Xero. The intensity of the color indicates how active they've been. Hover your mouse over the colored boxes to see the activity of a user on a specific date, to check what tasks they've worked on. Use the toggle to show deleted users' activity, if needed. The Bank Accounts tab shows the details of manually deleted statement lines or manually reconciled transactions sorted by bank account. If a bank account doesn't balance, view which users have manually deleted statement lines or manually reconciled transactions to investigate and help resolve the issue. Use the toggle to show reconciled deleted statement lines to view reconciled transactions which have been deleted that could be causing a bank balance discrepancy. The Contacts tab shows customers and suppliers with the same bank account details or whose account details have been edited. Use this information to identify errors or potential fraudulent activity where bank payments have been made to the wrong bank account. Finally, the Invoices and Bills tab shows backdated invoices and bills. Review this information to ensure the transactions are authorized and as expected. Use the By more than 30 days ago arrow to filter the list. You can change the period you want to see backdated invoices and bills. Click an invoice or bill to view more details and make edits if required. Now you're ready to use the History and Notes and Assurance Dashboard to check the data in Xero.